Can sneezing too hard actually kill you? It sounds crazy, but the answer might shock you.
Before we explain, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more weird science facts.
A normal sneeze shoots out air at over 100 miles per hour. That pressure is so strong, it can burst tiny blood vessels in your eyes or nose. Rarely, sneezing too forcefully has caused people to rupture their throat, dislocate ribs, or even trigger brain aneurysms. Doctors have documented real cases of this happening.
So while sneezing is usually harmless, yes, under extreme conditions, a sneeze can kill you.